Alright guys, so this BugMD Flea and Tick was sent to me. So we're going to try this out on my dogs, but first I wanted to show you in the box itself, it came with this bottle, which you'll fill up with 27 ounces of water. And then it did come with 2 of these. This is the concentrate that you're going to mix into that bottle. So we'll do that right now. I've already put the water in it. So it is flea and tick season here where I'm from, and I have been having to check my dogs every night to make sure that there's no fleas on them. They do play in my backyard and I do get my yard treated, but unfortunately that's not enough. So I did try the flea and collar on them, but one of my dogs had a reaction, so now I'm left trying to find what works for us. This, actually, the scent, I wanted to see if it had a smell. It is made, the main ingredients on it is clove oil and cottonseed oil. So I definitely smell a hint of clove in it. So once you put that in there, you want to dilute it and shake it, make sure it's shaked well. All right, so this can actually be used in their bedding. You can use it on anything that you can spray that can be treated with soap. But of course, you always want to test patch it. So really, you're just going to spray from 8 to 12 inches away, and you're just going to spray this. Once you spray that, you're going to let it dry. And then you can actually wipe it off with a paper towel if you want to. All right, so Ace is going to try it out for us. So first off, what you want to do is you always want to try it at least in one spot for your dog to make sure that they don't get irritated with it. You don't just want to put it all over them right away. You also want to make sure that you don't put this in any open wound, genitals, things like that, not in their eyes and mouths and things like that, right? So when we try this out, we're going to try it on his backside first. You want to take a brush or something and you want to fluff up their hair. And so that just allows the spray to be sprayed on there. So you're going to go 8 to 12 inches away and you're just going to spray it. And you don't need a lot. So that seemed like it was a lot. So we're just basically working it into his skin. And so that's all we're going to do for now. We're not going to try and make any more because we want to try this out on Ace. Now the main ingredient is clove oil, which is what is likely disrupting the insect nervous system. And then the cottonseed oil just allows it to coat their hair and also coat the bug and allow it to stay on their skin. So really what I like to do is leave this on their skin for a whole day to see if it will mess them, if it will cause any irritation. Now, tomorrow what will happen is if he's okay with it, I'll coat him down. He doesn't have to be drenched or anything. A little goes a long way. And I'm gonna brush his hair up. I'm gonna start from his back legs and work all the way up to his neck area. I'm making sure that I put it on his legs and in his creases and stuff like that. After an hour of letting it dry on him, we are going to actually help rinse it off. So again, you can use this on your dogs. You can use it on their beddings, things like that. And they seem to be doing well on it. So I will have to update you guys on how well this works, but so far what I like about it is that my dogs, it is different from the flea collar, which one of my dogs had a reaction to. It does have more plant-based ingredients, and also I can just spray this on and then spray it off my dogs. This can also be used on my couches, their bedding, things like that. Oh, and also you can use this in things that you wash. So it does have instructions on if you wanted to wash your dog bed in this. They tell you how to do it. And again, I just have to update you guys on how well this works. If you're looking for a flea and tick killer and you're looking more for something that is plant-based, more of a spray instead of an all-day wear on their neck, then you should definitely check this one out.